Welcome back. We are doing upper and lowercase I and J. I'm going to angle my paper a little bit so it's easier to write. You have your nice sharp pencil ready. Starting at the top, big line down, take it back up, little line, big line down, little line, big line down, little line, all the way across. I know those lines, they kind of blend in with the pencil in the upper and lower line, but you're doing great. Lowercase I. Oh, is this one easy peasy or what? But let's still take our time, okay? So it's a little line from the dotted line in the center. Little line down, but make sure you dot that I. Little line down and dot. Take it all the way across. And the reason why I say, even though it's easy peasy, take your time, because practicing these lines, even these little lines, help us with every single letter. Okay, maybe except for the O. Maybe there's an exception, huh? Excellent. Uppercase J. Big line down, curve, pick up your pencil to the top, and cross it over. Big line down, bump, little line, big line down, bump, little line, big line down, bump, little line. Oops. I really wanted to do a lot of J's on that one. Went all the way to the end. Nicely done. Okay, last letter, lowercase j. So it's very similar to the I, but we're just adding a tiny little bump on the end. So big line down, little bump and dot. Big line down, little bump and dot. Take this all the way across. Now make sure you don't go too tiny with that curve there, or that bump. You can see I got a little tiny there. I know there are some learners that like to write smaller, but you know what? It makes it hard for teachers and parents and others to read your writing, even including yourself. Have you ever gone back to read something and you're like, So just make sure you make them big enough and clear. Nicely done. Upper and lowercase I and J.